Hi, I'm Justin Labato, lead global consultant for Buff & Shine Manufacturing. Some of the most frequently asked questions we get is, what tools can these pads be used on? Well, all of them. We could actually use them on rotary, gear-driven, long throw, and standard DA. And the benefit of that is, that's why it makes it so versatile. The only thing is, with our Eurofiber finisher pad, this is the only pad that you would not want to put on a rotary. So this would be what I would say the only pad that is a bit limited in regards to all machines. Aside from that, the remainder 4 pads can be used on all machines that you love to use to get the best finish that you can. I hope this answers your questions about what machines that the Reflection Artist pads can be used on. If you have any other questions, make sure you drop them in the comment box below, and stay tuned for any other videos here on the Rag Company FAQ channel. Thank you guys for watching.